Hello everyone. Let us start with today's topic. Now, what is today's topic is about? Today's topic is about the features, physical features. Now, what are the physical features? So, now see, you can see that there is a glass in my hand. So, basically this glass is used for the rain gauge instrument. Now, observe this. This is a pen stand. It is handmade. So how it looks like? Okay. There is another for you. This is a globe. Now how this globe looks like? Okay. So if I ask you now that how the globe looks like, so your answer will be it is in the round shape. So if I ask you that how that glass of the rain gauge looks like, you will say that it is in the cylindrical shape. So now here you can explain or you can describe the particular thing. So if I take the name of the physical feature of the earth. So what is the physical feature of the earth? Means if you observe around you, you may have seen the hills. You may have seen the pictures of the mountains, you may have seen the desert regions, the plain regions, agricultural land, etc. or the plateau region. So this is what you have observed around you. So these all are commonly known as the physical features. Now look once here. So this is mountain, which has the height more than 3000 meters. Now this is the diagram of the hill. This is hill. Now this is plateau. So here I am writing it is a hill, it is plateau, right? And this is desert region. This is desert. Now see, it is river, okay, and also that this is the plain. This is the plain. You may have seen or you have observed the map of India. The map of India is like this. So you have observed the map of India. In its southern side, the three sides. Okay, this is the east, it is the west, and it is the south. So it is towards these regions you have observed that there are oceans. Here is the Indian Ocean, here is Bay of Bengal, and here is Arabian Sea. So in the Bay of Bengal, there is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and in the Arabian Sea there is Lakshadweep Islands. So these are the islands, right? Islands, and this portion of India is known as Peninsula. So these are the physical features we can see on the earth. But basically what is in the topic of it is all about that we will study the physical features of India. So are these physical features in India? If yes, then what is the location and what are its characteristics? So this we will study in detail. But before moving towards the explanation or the detailed topic, let's have a small journey of the models. So come with me. Now let us start with the model of the volcano. Now observe this. Observe, this is the model of the volcano. The next is the model of the hills and the features of the. Now see, it is the mainstream, then the distributaries, meander, then oxbow lake, and it is delta. So before submerging into the ocean, river usually makes delta, but in the Eastern Ghats. Now this is the Bhabar. Bhabar is the region where the sand, pebbles and stones are collected. This is Tarai. Now observe the next model. So these are the agricultural fields where the agriculture is practiced. You can see here is the well also and the tank also. Now this is the biodiversity park. So these are different types of physical features or the places found on the earth. Now observe, this is the model of the desert. So desert usually or maximum it is found in the Rajasthan and Gujarat. So what all are things found in the desert? Camels, cactus, and the vegetation of the desert is also known as xerophytic. Now basically the bajra cultivation is practiced in the desert regions. So you can see. So these all are the different types of physical features found on the earth. This is the model of active volcano.